Hi, I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're here to continue our series on the Dell PowerEdge R360 server. In this video, we're going to show you how to update your iDRAC. Let's get going. Well, hey, thanks for stopping by today to learn a little bit more about the Dell PowerEdge R360 server. Do us a favor, if you find anything that helps you in this video, click that like and smash that subscribe. All right, well, let's hop in. The Dell R360 video that we're going to be doing today is dedicated to iDRAC. If you're not familiar with iDRAC, iDRAC stands for Integrated Dell Remote Access Controller. Essentially, that's just their way to remote in to their server from a faraway place. So if you want to take this and put this in a colo, if you want to take this and put this on-prem at a client's location, iDRAC is how you would remote into your server and control it from, your desk essentially, right? And iDRAC is a huge positive for Dell. It would be comparable to iLO for HPE or to IPMI for Supermicro. iDRAC, in my opinion, just has a superior interface and it's just a little bit easier and more user-friendly. So iDRAC is a big reason why a lot of people actually love Dell, because it makes it just very easy for them to remote into their server. So what we're going to do in this video as a whole, we're going to go over the different types of iDRAC licenses that there are. Then we're going to show you how to identify what type of license you might currently have on your server if you're not aware and you're trying to figure out how to do something and you're like, well, what iDRAC do I even have? Well, we'll show you how to figure that out. Then we're going to show you how to log into the web interface for iDRAC. Then we're going to show you how to do step-by-step instructions on upgrading your license. So let's just hop into all the good stuff. So what types of iDRAC licenses are there? Well, there are 4 types of iDRAC license. There's Basic Management, there's Express, there's Enterprise, and there's Data Center Management. And really what most people are going to want is going to be Enterprise, so that way you can remote in, and there's going to be a Data Center Management, which just has a couple extra features that most people aren't really going to need. Enterprise is going to be your real sweet spot. When you go to Express, for instance, you aren't going to be able to remote in. So that's really important to note. So Enterprise is what most people are going to want. Now, if you're just using this at your own location, it's in your rack, and you don't need a remote in, hey, you can run with Enterprise, or excuse me, you can run with Express, but Enterprise is really what most people want. And if you do need to get an Enterprise license, you can go to our website, and we do sell Enterprise iDRAC licenses that we can support you, and we can get to you within 24 hours, so that way you can be able to remote in, because that is very important. All right, so now we're going to get into some of the real fun stuff. We're going to throw up some screen captures. We're going to show you step-by-step instructions on how to figure out what type you have. We're going to show you how to log into your web interface, and we're going to show you how to update your iDRAC to Enterprise. So let's just do all the fun stuff right now.
Hey, this is Mason with Cloud Ninjas, and today I'll be showing you guys how to upgrade your iDRAC license from Basic Management to Enterprise. So you'll need a couple things for this to work: a laptop or desktop, a switch with an active internet connection, some Cat5 cables to run from the switch to the iDRAC port, and a iDRAC Enterprise license. This can be found on our website at cloudninjas.com. We do sell Enterprise license for Dell 13th Gen, 15th Gen, 14th Gen, 16th Gen servers. So if you need one, you can go ahead and visit our website at cloudninjas.com or email us at sales@cloudninjas.com, and we can help you out there. This should be in the form of an XML file. So if you're not sure about what type of license you have, we will show you how to see what kind of license you have. That way you'll know what license you need to upgrade to. So go ahead and boot up your server, and during post, you will go ahead and press F2. And this will get you to the system setup. Once you're here, you'll select the iDRAC settings, then navigate to System Summary. Under System Information, look for iDRAC License, and here it will tell you what license your server has. So in this one, we have a Basic Management license. So we need to upgrade that to an Enterprise license. So now we're going to need to set up the network before we do the upgrade.